So if you got a bad throttle body, you're going to think your car's junk. It'll throw so many codes: engine reduced power, service stability track, engine codes on. If you don't have a meter, then you're really not going to understand why it's doing that. So if you don't have a meter, you can go down to your local shop, or you can go to O'Reilly's, I believe, has a service where you can just go in and check your engine codes. I bet people have got rid of their cars, traded them in, sold them just because of this one part. It throws so many codes. It throws 6 codes, and it makes your car run like junk. Okay, before we pull off the throttle body, we're going to pull all the codes of all the different codes that they throw. So we got engine at reduced power is what shows up here on the display, and it shows service stability system, engine power reduced. That's the 2 codes that's showing up here on the display. Engine light on, and our first code is CO242. PCM indicated that TCS malfunction and invalid serial data received. Okay, PO122, throttle pedal position sensor A circuit input low. And then throttle, and then we got PO223, throttle pedal position sensor switch B circuit high input. And then we got PO122, throttle pedal position sensor circuit A low input. PO223, circuit high. And then number 6, the throttle pedal position sensor circuit B high input, pending. Okay, that's your 6. That's the 6 error messages you're getting on the scanner here. So when you got a bad throttle body, it makes your car not run real good. So what we're going to do now, we're going to pull that throttle body off. Okay, we're going to get this throttle body off of here. Didn't think that'd be too hard, too tight on that. Okay, we got. Okay, I'll say it again. If you decide to paint your throttle body, do not take off these clips right here. These clips hold the electronics in there. It's actually, we'll go into that in a few minutes here, and I'll explain how it's put together and why not to take it apart, because it will definitely damage it. Ask me how I know. Be nice to get this thing back together running good. Get all the codes cleared on it. This car has no engine codes on it. Okay, you don't want to lose your gasket or your screws. I can unplug this thing. Okay, that didn't take long. Let's get this throttle body on the car. Let's go see how it's going to run. I just got this in from eBay, and it looks not like brand new. It's got a little spot here, but it's got lots of aluminum in it. See, this other one has a brass plate in it. This one here's a whole lot cleaner. So we'll go stick that on real quick. Okay, this is the first start up on the new throttle body. See how it's going to do. Really rough at first. Let the computer take over. Still rough. Give it a couple of minutes. It did about the same thing on my Camaro when I put on the 80mm. It might be just a little bit different throttle body. Should be all the same, I would think. Actually, this one's running worse than what the other one was doing. The one I had cut apart. Try to do a restart. Well, we're gonna clear the codes and see what happens. I don't know if that'll make any difference. Well, it turned out this throttle body here is worse than the other one. I got it off of eBay. It's got more. It's got 7 codes on it. The other one only had 4. Well, maybe it had 5. The other one only had 5. So we're going to ship that one back. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to verify that everything's okay by switching. I'm going to put the 2008 throttle body back on here, my daily driver, just to make sure everything's okay. That'll verify that this one is bad and something else didn't happen. I'm sure that's the case. This one here's throwing all kind of codes. I mean, it ran worse than what the one that was on there, the painted one. It's worse now than what it was. So we're going to take it back off. I'll have to ship that one back to eBay. Ship that one back to the seller. Get my money back, buy something else. That's a shame. It's damaged, it ain't no good. So, take this one back apart. So I'm going to go get the other throttle body from the 2008 Cadillac. It's sitting in behind the backyard and under the shade tree. I'll go grab that throttle body real quick, stick it on here, and verify everything's fine, erase all the codes, and then I'll know for sure that I need another throttle body. So that's what we're going to do. Be right back. Okay, we have the throttle body swapped out. Here's the one I had on it. It looks basically like brand new. But then I got to thinking, okay, where's the box that this came in? It didn't come in a box. It came in just like this. A little bit of bubble wrap around this. A little bit of bubble wrap around the throttle body. And if this got dropped, it damaged your electronics. So this thing's junk. So I'm gonna have to ship it back. And it will go back in a box. But this is gonna verify that this part is bad, because I bet it runs so much better. Then we'll clear the codes, and I'm gonna have to pull this car in here, and it's gonna have to sit for another couple of weeks. At least another week till I get another throttle body put on it. That's okay, I guess. So we'll go start it up and see what it's gonna do. Look at that. Just as smooth as you can be. I mean, this thing was throwing so many codes, it was saying my time and chain cam sensor, all that was out. It was advanced, bank 1 and 2. It was throwing so many codes. I think I still have, I might have cleared them, I don't know, but I'm gonna go ahead and clear the codes on this, get it pulled forward, and just let her sit. I'll have to take that one back off and stick it back on my daily driver. Yeah, it's a lot of pain. That's too bad a good throttle body got ruined just because it didn't get shipped out right. And that's another thing. If you drop it, it's junk. And somewhere along the way from here, from Texas to here, it got dropped. So, throttle body number 3. Had this one on there, messed it up. Got number 2 in. It wasn't any good. Sent it back, got a refund. Now we got this one. Open it up. I got this in a couple days ago. Yeah, I opened it up from the bottom. The top had all my address and stuff on it. Oh, it's the newer style. No, it ain't. It's O-ring. Okay, it looks like the right throttle body. Looks just like the other one. In fact, this is even better than the last one. Looks just like the last one I had, except I had a little bit of corrosion right in here. Yeah, this is even better than the last one. So we're going to get this one on the car. Hopefully this one will work. It was sent in a nice box with styrofoam padding around it, so it ought to be fine. Okay, we'll go stick it on the car. I probably won't show that, so I will show the first start and clear the codes, and it should be good to go. A new throttle body on there. Thing looks like brand new. In fact, I kind of like that combination even better than even having it painted. I think it looks cool. Okay, here's the first start on the new throttle body. And then we'll have to get the coats cleared on it. No engine light whatsoever. So I must have cleared the codes whenever I got done. Pretty sure I did. Cleared the codes, so I don't even need this meter. No throttle, no engine light whatsoever. That's awesome. So this thing is back in good shape. Okay, that's going to do this video. Thanks for watching.